Hey, what's up guys? Brian here with Truck Gear and Line-X coming at you just 3 weeks before the largest show in the automotive aftermarket world, where all the companies are going to bring out some new products, showcase their cool products, and have some really awesome builds. That's right, I'm talking about SEMA. And I want to give you a little bit of a preview about the truck that Truck Gear and Line-X have teamed up with some major manufacturers to build for you. So I'd like to go ahead and show you our SEMA build for 2019, and that's going to be our 2019 Ram 1500. Now I know what you're thinking. No one shows up at SEMA with a bone stock truck. So we've got a plan to use our nationwide network of stores to build this truck one piece at a time as we drive across the nation and make our way to SEMA. The goal behind this build is to build a usable truck that we can drive all over the nation, that you can take on any type of road trip and use for everyday life. We're going to be using products not only from Line-X protective coatings, some of the best in the world, Truck Gear, the products with the best warranty in the industry. We're going to also partner with some major manufacturers like K&N, MagnaFlow, Value Guard, Grid Wheels, Trail FX, Nexen Tire, and a couple other great products out there as well. So as we make this journey in a truck with only 299 miles to start, we're going to be visiting our franchises along the way in Lexington, Kentucky, Angola, Indiana, Prairie Grove, Illinois, Quincy, Illinois, Cheyenne, Wyoming, and Albuquerque, New Mexico. And we're going to end it all at the greatest show in the automotive aftermarket world, SEMA in Las Vegas. So make sure you follow along as we start our journey here in Huntsville, Alabama in a brand new truck with only 200 miles on it, make our way across the United States, stopping at our different franchise locations along the way, and finally end our journey in Las Vegas to unveil this truck at SEMA, where we're going to showcase all of our protective coatings, unveil and launch a bunch of new Truck Gear products, and show off some really cool products in the industry. By the time we're done with this is going to be a usable truck that anyone would be proud to drive.